Okay, this is probability, right? M4 module 3, right? This is module 3. Module 3. Okay, so here directly I will teach later, but directly I am solving the question paper which have they given. Okay, so question number 5 was given here. The probability density function of variable x is, this one is given table. X is called to given here, and this is p of x. So x is called to given 0, 1, 2 up to the 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the respective probability value is given. This is k, 3k, 5k, 7k, and this is 13k. Okay, this one is given here, so we have to find it. Find k, and second probability which is x less than 4. Three less than equal to x less than equal to 6. Okay, so see here, so this is the question is given here. So this is called as discrete probability distributions. Okay, discrete probability distribution means there is some particular value of x they will give and respective probability they will given. Okay, like just consider the basic first, then we'll come to know. So here consider if any table is given like that, x I am considering as a, consider 2 coins is given, 2 coins. Okay, we are spinning the 2 coins, and x indicates number of heads turn up. Okay, so 2 coins is given, so what will be the sample space? Either both will be head or head tail, या tail head or tail, right? This one, this x is equal to, you are counting it in turning up the head. So first maybe your 0 head, either 1 head or 2 head. More than 2 won't be possible because x is the coins is only 2, right? Probability you have to write it here, p of x. 0 head means when can come 0 head, means both are tail, right? So I can write it 1 by 4 because only one favorable cases and total number of cases is what, 4. 1 head, how can you write what is the probability of getting only 1 head? Either you can get it head tail or tail head. So you will get 2 by 4 which is 1 by 2. And is given 2 head only one possible, this head both, right? 2 head, x is equal to 2 means both coins should be head because x I am counting as number of head appearing on it, right? So I can write it 1 by 4. Okay, so this is called as probability density functions. So this is called as, also called as discrete probability. There are two type of probability, discrete probability and continuous, but this is case of discrete probability. So now here this the axiom property of the probability is, axiom property is summation of all this p of xi should be 1. Getting whatever the p of x you are getting here, if you add it here, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, you will get it 1 only, means sum of all probability is equal to 1. Getting? And second, each probability, this individual value, this 1 by 4, 1 by 2, this 1 by 4, this always lie between 0 to 1. Okay, that lie between the 0 to 1, and 0 also possible, 1 also possible. 1 is when 1 means, consider the x is equal to means 1 means sure event. Okay, and 0 is impossible event, you can write it like that. So 100%, this is 0%, like. Okay, so this is the two property, is the axiom property. Sum of all probability values should be equal to 1, and this probability, individual probability, these values always lie between the 0 to 1. Okay, so same concept here only apply here. So understood now what is the x meaning is given. X is some variable is given, some random variable x, and their respective probability is given k, 3k, 5k, 7k, and so on. Okay, so we know that by using the axiom property, we know that by axiom properties, sum of all probability values is equal to how much? 1. So you can add it, these values also on equal to 1, k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k is equal to how much? 1. So totally how much k is there? 3 plus 1 4, 5 9, 10 16, 16 and 9 25, 26 and the 36, 37, 38, 39 and 10 49, 49k, right? Check out, this is 49, k is equal to 1, so we can write k is equal to 1 by 49. So this is the value of first one. So now you can substitute the values of k. K is here 1 by 49, this is 3 by 49, 5 by 49, 7 by 49, 9 by 49, 11 by 49 and 13 by 49. Just you can substitute the value of k, right? Next is given here, second one, p of x less than 4. Less than 4 means probability of x is equal to 0. This 4, less than 4, and equal to is not given, so 4 is not included. Okay, so 0, 1, 2 and 3 you can add it. Probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, probability of x is equal to 2, and probability of x is equal to 3, you can add it. X is equal to 0, how much you got? K. This is 3k, this is 5k, or this is 7k. So you can write 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15 plus 1 16k. You can write 16 by 49. K value you can substitute it 1 by 49. Similarly, all you have to find x is equal to 5 given. X is greater than equal to 5. So greater than equal to 5 means 5 is also included. So that probability of x 0 to 5 was greater than 5. Greater, not given less than 5. Greater than 5 means you have to greater 5 and 6. So 5 is equal to 11k and plus 13k, which is 14, and then 24k, 24 by 49. And last fourth one is given. I'll solve it here. Probability of x, okay, lie between this 3 less than x less than equal to 6. So see, next is given here, probability of x, okay, lie between 3 to 6 where 3 is not included. So we can take first, take a, see here, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 6, right? The number which is what? Lie between 3 to 6 where 3 is not included. 0, 1 and 2 is lie between 3 to 6. less than 3. So less than 3 have to also don't have to take x which lie between the 3 and 6, means x should be greater than 3 but less than equal to 6. So greater than 3 is what? 4 only, no? 4, 5 and 6, and 3 we have not included because here equal to sign is not given, and 6 is included here because x is equal to given 6. So this one how much? X is equal to 4, 9k, plus x is equal to 5, 11k, plus 13k. So this is 20, this is 20, as 20 plus this 13, 33k, right? 49. This one is the answer. If you want to find another method, also you write 1 minus of p of, say here, consider given 4, 5, 6 you are finding it here, right? So probability of anything happen and not happen, means complement of that, is equal to 1. So probability of anything happen is considered is what, some 1 by 2, so remaining will be 1 by 2, not happen. Okay, like consider of probability of getting the rain today is 60%, so not getting, then 40% remaining. So like that here, so you can write it here 4, 5, 6 already we got it here, 4, 5, 6 already we got it here by this method. If you don't want to find by this method 4, 5, 6, and if you given large value, so you cannot add all the values and it will waste the time only. Okay, so what you can do it, 1 minus this one you can do it, getting here 0, 1, 2 and 3 also included because 1 minus complement of that part you are taking here. X is greater than equal to 6, complement you are taking here, so it will become x is equal to 0 minus probability of x is equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 2 minus probability of x is equal to 3. So I can write better in the bracket here, so all it will be plus here. So this is 1 minus, and this value is already we got in the here only, less than 4. How much you got? So 1 minus 16 by 49. So we'll got it, 14 minus 69 is how much? 33 by 49. This is also same, this is also we will get it same. So if anything, consider this is what you can do any method, but if you give a large value, like consider 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till the 100 is given. So you cannot keep adding by all the terms for, so better you can take the complement that time. Okay. So we'll see the next question. No, both is screen also. So this is the next question. Okay, so random variable x given here and with the respective probability is given here. So how will you find it? So write the same thing. Summation of p of xi is equal to 1. Okay, so we can write this one, add it 0 plus k plus 2k. K square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k, right, is equal to 0, equal to 1. So you will get it k square plus 2k square plus 7k square. This one is 10k square plus this is 2 plus 9k. So this one also is 9k. Plus 1 is equal to, so this one you can bring this side, so it become minus 1 is equal to 0. So if you solve it by the quadratic equations, minus b plus minus by 2a you can find it, yeah, calculator you can find k will equal to, you will get it 1 by 10 and another minus 1 you will get it. So k is equal to minus is not possible because I told her no, probability should be, that value should be comes to between the 0 to 1. Second property I said is p of xi, this value should be lie between 0 to 1, right? So the k is equal to minus 1 is not possible. So we will consider k is equal to 1 by 10. substitute here. So this is 0, this is 1 by 10, this is 2 by 10, this is 2 by 10, 3 by 10, and this is k square, means 1 by 100, 2 by 100, and this is how much? 7 by 100 plus. So you can add it here, so it will become 70 by 100. 17 divided by 100, right? So this is the value probability distribution, so got it here. Then you can find the same, find the value of k. So already we got the value of k. Second, probability x less than 6. Less than 6 here. Less than 6 means you have to add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not included. So yeah, better you can write it here, 1 minus probability of x greater than equal to 6 in the negation form. So 1 minus, yes. So 0 to 5 you add it, otherwise 6 and 7, 1 minus 6 and 7 you do it. So this one only 2 have to add it, so better you do it this, x is equal to 7. So you will get it 1 minus 2 by 100 and plus 17 by 100. So 1 minus 19 by 100. So this is 100 minus 90, how much? $81, no? $81 by 100. Okay, 0.81 you can write it. Similarly, second part, I will delete it this. X greater than equal to 6. Greater than equal to 6 means 6 and 7. So now only we find here x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 7. $19 by 100. Next is x, third one. X3, but 3 is not included. X less than equal to x is equal to 4, 5. We can write here probability of x is equal to 4, 5 and 6, right? 4 is equal to how much? 3 by 10, and this is 1 by 100 plus 2 by 100. So this one is how much? 33 by 100. 0. Okay, you can find the like this. Okay, so this was the second question. Next we will do it for the continuous probability distributions. Okay, this is given for the continuous probability distributions. Okay, so what is continuous probability distributions? This is a PDF. This values is given in the function. Okay, 0 to 3 is given cxs square, otherwise 0. So here also the axiom property is there. Axiom properties, this functions, if we integrate from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx, you will get it 1. Okay, this is the first property, and second property was same. Probability always lie between the 0 to 1. Getting? So these two properties same for the whatever you study in the discrete continuous distribution, discrete probability distributions, also applicable for the continuous probability distribution. So here we will use the same property here. So here what is given here, what we know the values of, we know that integration from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1, right? So but this function is defined only from 0 to 3. So this is just like a discontinuous function. You have to integrate from where to where? Minus infinity to infinity. 0 to 3 value is cx square, and apart from anything is there, then value is 0. Okay, so if we break it this one, minus infinity to 0, f of x dx, 0 to 3 f of x dx, and plus 3 to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1, right? So discontinuous form is given, so I have break in 3 discontinuous way. So here is given, apart from 0 to 3, whatever the value comes, the value is f of x is 0, right? This value is 0. So 0 times anything, so 0 only, so no need to integrate. This term is what? 0. From 0 to 3, the function is given cx square plus this 3 to infinity also is what? 0, because otherwise anything apart from 0 to 3, the value is 0 only. So this is also 0, so no need to take, is equal to 1. So you can integrate this one. C is the constant, and x square integration is already you know. X integration is what? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So you can write here x power 3 by 3, 0 to 3 is equal to 1. So this c by 3 you can take constant outside, and you can substitute upper minus lower. So upper, if you put 3 to the power 3 is 27 minus 1 is 0. 0 if you substitute 0 is equal to 1. So this become how much? 9c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1 by 9. Getting here? So c is equal to 1 by 9, we got it here. So you can write now function is your, this function your f of x becomes 1 by 9 c square, then 1 by 9 x square when lie between 0 to 3 and 0 otherwise. Okay, so this become your continuous probability density function. So now we have to find, first question was given find the value of c, so already we got the value of c. Here given integrate between the 1 and 2, find the value of x between the 1 and 2. So what you have to do? Probability of x given here 1 to 2. So just you have to integrate this 1 to 2, this 1 by 9 x square dx. Okay, so 1 by 9 is constant, and this will get x cube by 3 from 1 to 2 is 1 by 9, and this one 3 you can take outside. So 2 3 8 minus 1, if you put 1 cube is 1. So 1 by 27 into 7. So you will get it 7 by 27. In doubt till here? Tell me. There is given find the value of x probability values between the 1 and 2. So just integrate 1 and 2 like normal integration. 1 by 9 is constant outside, x square integration is x cube by 3, and substitute it upper minus lower. So 3 is outside, so 2 if you substitute 2 to the power 3 is 8, and 1 if you substitute 1 cube is 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7, and this one. So similarly we can find for the another part, another also. Okay. I will delete it this. Another is given for the x less than equal to 1. So tell me from where to where I have to integrate? 0 to 1. Why 0 to 1? Because this function is only valid from 0 to 3 only. So only we can take value 0 to between the 3 only. So see here 0 to 3 this function is valid. Okay, that is what 1 by 9 x square we got it. But we have to find only between 0 to 1. So you have to integrate between the 0 to 1. So 1 by 9 x square dx. So 1 by 9 is outside. This become x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So we can write 1 by 27, and this is 1 and this is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1 by 27. Getting? Similarly, x is greater than 1. X greater than 1, where to where integrate? Tell me. This is 0 to 3, this function is defined, and 1 is here. So 1 to greater you have to find it here. So 1 to 3 you have to find, and we know that after that 3 is what? 0 only. So no need to find this side, only you have to integrate between the 1 to 3. 1 by 9 x square dx. So 1 by 9 outside, x cube by 3, this is 1 to 3. So 1 by 27, and this is 27 minus 1. Okay, 26 by 27. Any doubt till here? Next questions we'll do it. This one question is given. So here also the same base. Here the function is defined only between the 0 to 3, x by 6 plus c, otherwise 0. So we know that summation of f of x of dx from minus infinity to infinity is equal to how much? 1. So we have to integrate from minus infinity to infinity, but this function is defined only 0 to 3. This x by 6 plus c. So this is 0, this is 0. Apart from anything is 0 here. So only you have to integrate between the 0 to 3. Right? So you can write 0 to 3 integration x by 6 plus c dx is equal to 1. So x by 6 integration is x square by 12 plus c is the constant, and one integration is x from 0 to 3. So if you put it here, 3 upper minus lower, 3 square is 9, 9 by 12 plus 3x, and 0 if you substitute, this is 0, this is also 0, is equal to 1. 3c, sorry, this is 3c is equal to 1. So you can write here 3c is equal to 1 minus 9 by 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to how much? 3 by 12. So 3 get cancelled here. We got c is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, and doubt is till here. So next you have to find between the 1 to 2 probability of x which lie between the 1 to 2. So here you have to integrate from 1 to 2 this values, x by 6 plus c. C is equal to how much? 1 by 12 dx. So here the integration is how much? 1 minute, I will delete this one. X by 6 integration is x square by 12 plus 1 by 12 x. This one from 1 to 2. So 2 if you substitute here, 2 square is 4, 4 by 12 which is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 12 which is 1 by 6 minus 1 if you substitute 1 by 12, and this is 1 by 12. So this is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, and this is minus 1 by 6. So this one get cancelled here. You will get it 1 by 3. Okay. No doubt in this. So this is how we have to solve it. Consider this same type discrete continuous probability distribution. Also they can ask find the value of mean and variance. Mean and variance question is not given. Variance is not given, then just leave it, we'll do in some another class. Okay, but keep in mind formula, mean is equal to x into f of x dx. That is your mean, here called as expectation, and variance is equal to e of x square minus e of x is total whole square. Okay, we'll do in another class. Okay, mean and variance also question. So this one question is given here, the subjective type. The probability that man age 60 will live up to the age 70 years is 0.65. Okay, so what is given here, this is successful is given. This is what successful. If any person is what age is 60 will live up to the 70 years age is 0.65, right? What is the probability that out of 10 men now age is 60 exactly, and at most all the values is given. So this problem is what based on the binomial distribution या Bernoulli distribution. Okay, this is binomial distribution. How will you identify this is binomial distribution? See here, binomial distribution is what first I will explain, then I will explain this question. Binomial distribution means here p of x you can find it by the formula ncx p to the power x q to the power of n minus x. Okay, and where n is number of trials, yeah, experiment, getting, and this p is successful, and this q is failure. Okay, this one detail I will teach, then I will come to know, but assignment is given in the college, so I just explaining directly here. Okay, so here we can see here there 10 men is taken as the experiment, so this n is equal to 10. Okay, and their p values, this whatever the given in the questions you can consider that is p. This is 0.65 is given, so p is 0.6, so q is equal to how much? 1 minus p, right? Because already we know p plus q, anything happen and not happen is equal to 1, means p is successful, so q is failure. Successful plus failure is equal to 1, so failure you can find 1 minus successful, so this is 1 minus 0.65 is how much? 0.35, right? This we got it q. End out till here. So here the formula we know that the binomial distributions ncx p to the power x q to the power of n minus x. So substituting in this, n is what here? N is 10, 10 cx, p is 0.65 power of x, and q is 0.35 n minus x, which is 10 minus x, and this x is the depend upon the questions what is given, like exactly 9 here. First question is given x is equal to 9, exact 9 means equal to 9, so just substitute the value of x is 9, so 10 c9 0.65 to the power of 9 and 0.325 to the power of 10 minus 9, which is 1. This is the answer for the first one. Second one, given at most 5. At most 5 means probability of x less than equal to 9. At most means less than 9. Okay, so less than 9, instead of adding it 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, I can write it 1 minus probability of x is equal to 10. So I can write 1 minus and x is equal to 10, you substitute it in this. So 10 c10 and 0.65 to the power of 10 and 0.35, 10 minus 10, which is 0. So 0 to anything power 0 is 1 here, so this one no need to take, you can find this values. This is the answer. Getting here? Next given here, third part. third part is given at least 7 will be live up to the age of 70. So here third part is given at least 7 will be live up to the age of 70. So at least 7. So probability of X is equal to, you can write it 7 or 8 or 9, okay, or 10, because up to the 10 man is there, no, that's why. At least means equal to and greater. So 7 means 7, you put it, which formula? Same formula, 10cx p to the power of 10 minus x and q to the power of, sorry, p to the power of x and q to the power of 10 minus x. You substitute here, x value is 7. So 10c 7, p which is 0.65, x is 7 and 0.35 to the power of 3. X is equal to 8, you substitute 10c8, 0.65 to the power of 8, 0.35 to the power of 2. 9 you substitute 10c9, 0.65 to the power of 9, 0.35 to the power of 1, and 10c10, 0.65 to the power of 10, and this is 1. Okay, so this one you can calculate it and you can find the answer. Any doubt till here?